Challenge yourself to become a better photographer in, let's see here, 30 days. Challenge number 25 is leading lines. Now, this is one of the basic concepts of photographic composition. Leading lines is, well, it's really based on the fact of in your photos, you are trying to direct somebody's attention to something. That's like the rule of thirds, that you put something of interest in one of the locations there for the rule of thirds. But for leading lines, it's in effect like putting an arrow in your photo without actually putting an arrow. But in some cases, it could actually be an arrow. There's a couple examples here. There's one that's right behind me. You see it all the time. And this is a leading line. You think about it, it's actually pointing your eye in that direction. And if it was more prominent, your eyes would be more drawn to the point or the top of the telephone pole. But the second one is more kind of a famous example, and it's right here. It is the railroad tracks, because there are actually two lines that are going in a specific direction. And your eyes will do what? They will naturally, without forcing it so much, just to follow and wonder what's off in the distance. And I think that's one benefit of leading lines. It just doesn't always show you the end result. Sometimes the fact that the lines go off into a direction, it's kind of like gives you the idea of like, oh, it's far and distant. There's something out there. So it's very important to work with leading lines. I know it's only challenge number 25, but it is an important aspect just as much as the rule of thirds is, and symmetry, all those different aspects of basic layout for a photo. Leading lines can help you develop your photography to have more of a finer point to it rather than just a snapshot. And again, you don't necessarily have to have those railroad tracks right in the middle. You can have them off to the side like we shown in our photo just earlier. And remember, challenge yourself to become a better photographer every day.